Hello friends, how are you? I am fine. I am standing in my village. Look, friends, how beautiful my village is. If you like it, please comment, friends. Our village name is Gopalpur, enriched with enchanting scenery. Our village is like a picture. Around 4,000 people live in our village with field of crops, mango, banana, coconut, palm, betel nut. Most of the people are farmers. Besides, significant people are educated and working abroad. There are few fishermen. Hindus and Muslim live together in our village. The communication system of our village is very advanced. A paved road passes through the village. The natural environment of our village is very beautiful and pleasant. Golden harvest in the field. So, Gram village is very attractive. There is a lot of walking here. A huge area of mango, jam, coconut, palm, and betel leaves decorated the village like a picture. In the words of the poet, a tree, a tree, a tree, a bamboo tree, as if they are together. They are relatives. Our village is an ideal village. Born in the village, I am blessed.